This is the Garnier Nutrisse Ultra Cream Nourishing Hair Color, and it's permanent too. It comes in a variety of different colors, and this is a 2-pack. Love that. And let me open so you can see what exactly comes inside it. You're going to receive this bottle, which has developer in it. And it's very simple to use. You're going to twist it off and also take off this cap. And it's also going to be an applicator too. Then you're also going to open this up and pierce it. And this is going to be the color cream that you're going to be putting inside this developer. You're also going to be cutting this open, which has 5 essential oils inside it. It really nourishes your hair. And you're also going to be putting that in the developer as well. And you're also going to be receiving instructions. And when you open this up, you are also going to find some gloves. And this is what the gloves look like, perfect for when you're applying your hair color. Now, depending on what your hair color needs are, if you need to dye all your hair or just the roots, then for all your hair, you're going to leave it on for 30 minutes. And if you're just going to apply it to the roots, you're going to leave that on for 25 minutes after it develops, and then you're going to put it for the last 5 minutes throughout your hair. And that way it blends it together. Now, what I'm going to use it for is just for my roots. And I've been using this time and time again, and I absolutely love it. Very easy formula to work with. And another nice bonus that they give you is this conditioner, which you use periodically after you color your hair. And very simple to use, love using it, been using it for years. And thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.